Team Browne. Look at that man. Who's that man under there?
Not dead.
Now, Jared, you should be able to do this. Here, you the same. You hold the top with one hand and put the nut in with the other. Jared!
Right behind you. This is going to be so cool when it's fully finished.
Second now. Goodbye. And Jared. Goodbye. Then spraying cars next. Now, put your pencil down and mark a straight line. Now, is that ready for cutting?
Yeah.
They're taking the rust off. And Jared, 10 minutes.